Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Amo Joseph, and what we are going to be doing today, as I showed you, as I promised in the last video that I was going to do, talk about our cPanel and how we can make use of this cPanel to create a stunning website. As you can see, this is my website, and I did everything with cPanel, and it's live and running. If you search it, let's refresh this and search it again on Google, is going to bring it. Search it on Opera Mini, is going to bring it. Search it on any browser, is going to just bring just like this, and you are going to be learning how to create something as stunning as this through your cPanel. You can create a good slider and an animation video and all. I'm going to be showing you everything. This is a full functioning website. As you can see, just come to the menu here, just click on about us. It's going to open right away, full functioning website. You don't have to set up a tech or a team for doing ordinary this. So without wasting much of our time, what is cPanel? cPanel basically is a web-based graphical control panel. It helps you to create website and manage your web hosting accounts. Basically, that's just what a cPanel means. So cPanel makes it easy for anybody, you or your friend, anybody to just run a website. There's no need for administrative or or setting up a team, as I said earlier. And you can basically access your cPanel dashboard, and you can easily install what we call content management system. That is, which is WordPress. You can install, you can manage your backups, your databases, your emails, because you can create more than one. Domain names, you can manage domain names, and you can manage even much more. So when you acquire, there I'll put a video on this page where you can be able to watch how you can acquire or how you can buy a domain name without stress. So let's get into a cPanel. So when you log in into your cPanel, you do your domain name.com first a cPanel. This is where it's going to bring you. You input your username and your password and click on login. It's going to take you straight into your cPanel. And this is the way your cPanel looks like. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's get and start um, creating account. First thing I want to do is just create an email account. Just create an email account. It's called a web account. So let's see how. So the emails that I've created before is going to load. So let's just click on create. So this is your, and what do you want to do? You just want to create, you just want to say, you can use anything, but I love to use info 2. You can use info 1, you can use anything at gmail.com, at I said at gmail, at testloveonline.com. As you can see it here, this is info 2 at testloveonline.com. So you set up a password. You can generate a strong password. Yeah, you can generate, or you can either use anyone. Just, and you come to edit, you do unlimited, and you say send a welcome email with instruction to set up a mail client. If you want this, you can do it. Automatically create folder, so leave it like that, and just click on, is there anything else that we have not touched here? No, just click on create account. So creating email account loading. So creating account, you have successfully appeal request with the errors. Okay, let's see. Unlimited LSS set login. Provide an email. No. Set up a password now, and reset settings. Just put unlimited and just say create. As you can see, you created info. In look at this is it here. Info2 at testloveonline.com successfully created. So if you want to check, you can come to what we know as testlove, what forward slash webmail 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 no testlove online response slash webmail webmail. So this is your cPanel is connecting. So let's just wait. So this is the way your webmail is going to look like. You just the password that you set. I think I set up one password here. I think I set up one password here. Oh, I didn't copy the password. Oh shit. Oh shit. I was supposed to copy. Whenever you are doing yours, just make sure that you copied it, and then we can still edit it. You can edit it, manage. Please don't make this mistake. If you have to copy the password that you generated, just copy it. Just copy it. Make sure that you copy it. But if you have copied it, just come and put the password here, and then you click on login. But I don't love to do it that way. I love to just access my webmail right from my cPanel. So that I just click check mail. So we can see webmail login is loading. If you log in into this place, it's going to bring you straight into this place, and you just click on open my inbox when I log in, and you click open. So it's going to take you straight into your webmail where you can manage. Now a quick explanation. Webmail is as you can see, let me show you my website. Look at this. This is webmail. Any information that they send on this place on my website is going to come right into my webmail here, and I'll be able to see it. So you can be able to set, or you can send emails. You can just set up email. Hey, please, there's something I need to trash out here. There's something we call a BCC, that is blind carbon copy, and we call another one CC, carbon copy. So whenever you want to send a message to anybody, either, okay, let me say I want to send it to um, a company, gmail.com. This is my mail. I want to send, I just say welcome. Okay, I've already created something here before. A new message from Tesla of online marketing service. Okay, so if I want to add more, I just add, and this is what I call CC. CC is carbon copy. Whenever you want, you if you are sending it to an organization and you want everybody that you send the information to rebroadcast it, as in to rebroadcast it, their names are going to show on the mail, where you will have all of them name same there. But if you use BBC, which is blind carbon copy, they will only see the message that you send. They will not see any other on any other. And as an online marketer or any marketer, you don't need them to see the mail that you are sending to others. So just make sure that anything that you want to do, just make sure that you make it PCC, that is blind carbon copy. So let's get into our cPanel and continue continue what we have for today. So let's see. Okay, yeah, it's already logged in into our cPanel. So another thing that we want to do is called forwarder. A forwarder is used to forward message from your webmail to your Gmail or your Yahoo Mail. So just click on add forwarder, and you can see address from info2 at teslafonline.com to hi Shegun Amo, that is mine. And you just click on add forwarder. You can decide to change this if you want, and to you can change it to test off. If you can still change that later though. You can still change that later. Any message that they want to send to you, look at this. Any message that they want to send to you is going to appear like this. So you can still edit this later. Let me quickly show you how you can edit that. Um, let's see. Settings, discard. Identity. Look at this. I just come to create, and I just had the display name, everything that I want to do. Then I'll click on save. So that is how you will be able to do email info at, all those. That is how you will be able to set up. I think there's another way to go about it. I'll be showing you that later. Let's come back to our email forwarder. Then we have successfully created our email forwarder. Another thing that I want to do is called a responder. A responder, it is used whenever people send you a message on your web mail. This one will automatically respond them. It will respond them. You can set it. Okay, I want it to respond 1 hour. I want it to respond 2 hours. I want it to respond 3 hours. And whenever you set that, it's going to just work out like that, like that. Just put, if it is 5 hours after the message, you can put the email info at info info2 at, you can put from testloveonline.com. You can put welcoming message. You type of welcoming message here. Do I have it? No. You just put your welcoming message here, then you click on, if you want to costume it, you can do that and just click on create. So basically that is how you can create a welcome. Let's just put something here. Welcome to to test now online service the render okay, so the render tech services organization individual or organization at a very good discount at a very good discount discount on website development mobile app development development and as well as we we train inquisitive inquisitive young people on 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 tech skills according to the choice the choice. And so basically you just click on create and it will create a responder, and this is what it will send to them. You can see you successfully created the info to testlove.online.com autoresponder. So another thing that we want to do is call is okay, we've set up our email account, we set up our forwarder, we set up our email route. No, we haven't set up our email routing. This email routing is just used. Let's just take a look at it. Okay, this is just used to as you can see here, this is used to route a domain name incoming mail to a specific server. I don't think we really need to set up this. Let's just go to our domain name, our domain, and let me show you one or two things in there. Now, let's take a little more about our file manager. Our file manager is where this is our back office. This is our back office here. This is all. This is our back office here. Yeah. Please, you have to be careful on whatever you do in this place, because if you lose any important information right in this place, you are going to lose your website fully. So there's even something they call this thing here. This thing, let's search it. This thing here, please don't delete it. Do not try to delete it. If you delete it, you will have issues with your database. This thing is actually called a database. Once you delete the database, your website, all features will stop working. Your team will stop working. Your sliders will stop working. Apparently, everything will stop working. So I don't think you want to do that. So another thing is, let's talk about is backup wizard. So this is our backup wizard. It is used to, as you can see, the home directory, the email forwarder configuration, the email filter configuration, you back it up. If you want, you will back it up to your system. If you want to, in case of anything, or you lose your website or you lose anything, you can always back this up and have it in your archives in case of if anything happens. Then if you finally recovered, you can just come here and restore them. Just click on the restore. After you successfully restore, it will ask you home directory, email forwarder, email filter, and all those. Then you just click on anyone. It will just take you straight into your system and ask you to upload the file. And once you successfully upload it, chosen the files, you just click on upload. It will upload it for you. So that is what that is how to set up your backup wizard. So another thing that we need to just look here is what we call we've talked about the file manager, we talked about the backup wizard, we talked about all these databases are very important. Let's take a look at this. Please, this place that we are going, please, you have to be very careful on whatever you do here. This is apparently your database, so you don't want to mess up with this. So look at this. So look at this. Server connecting collation. I mean, look at database, SQL, status, export. It's when it loads, it will load everything. Look at this. Let's see this. Look at this. So another thing is the domain name. So this is your domain name. This is the main domain name. Testofmonline.com is the main domain name. And as you can see, this is public. It is the one that is public. It is the one that is public. So if you want to, you okay, you can actually create another domain name under the same, and it will appear as a subtitle. You see, it's appear. Let's take a look at what subdirectory means. Subdirectory domain. So look at this. If you can just create, if you have it, you can just say affiliate program, affiliate program. You just click on create. Once you click on create, it's going to create it for you, and you're going to see it create. You see affiliate program dot Tesla online has been created. So let's see what other thing do we need to set up here. So basically, another thing is the subtaculous. The subtaculous is another thing that we need to check here. So as you can see, Tesla online service, this website that I showed you, this website, this is, as you can see, Tesla online service. Okay, let me just show you. So creating stunning website, this is working fully. This is working fully. We add values to the wall these days. Just take a look at this. Just create stunning website like this as well. Contact us page. You can create something of this. You can I'll be teaching you everything now. You can set up. You see, look at this here. There's no online or copyright. All this. These are not hard anything. I'll just we'll take a look at them. We'll do everything one after the other. Let's come to our subtaculars. So our subtaculars, this is used. This is I think subtaculars is just partnering with WordPress. So subtaculars will help you if you just click on install if you want to install into your, you see, if I click on install here, okay, let us see if we can actually, okay, let us see our blog. I've changed it. It's not longer Tesla online. Now it is now um affiliateprogram.com forward slash affiliateprogram.com dot. Are you even supposed to change? You can change it to anything.com.net or just come and just click on what install. So it's going to just install and it's going to bring your data. You're going to bring your WordPress, your database to. It's a congratulations, the software has been successful. Your software was installed successfully. So we just come, yeah. So we just come. Another thing that we can just do is let me show you what in this other bar. You see have online service WP admin. Here you can set up, you can just your login details. We are not still going to be looking at all this. Let's not just rush. After you successfully install this, all this, now let's look at another thing that we want to do here. Okay, let's come to our cPanel. Now, what else do we need to cross check and just do? Please, whenever you log in your here, it must bring padlock, it must bring SSL, it must bring padlock like this. This SSL, this padlock shows that it is secure. This is HTTPS secured. So whenever people see this on your site, okay, I already closed my website again. Let me just see. Okay. Whenever people just see, they will know that you will know you are the serious type. It's supposed to bring the site information and it's supposed to bring padlock there. As you can see, the padlock is here. The padlock is here. And look at this. This is connection is secured. HTTPS. if it's showing HTTP, it's going to be showing danger, danger, danger. So that stuff. It's going to be showing danger. And if people see that, when people see that your site is um is padlocked, they tend to see that you are very serious type. You get. So let's continue our. So please, whenever, just make sure that he has padlock. If he doesn't have, I will be showing you later on how you can install. Let me just even show you now. Just search for find function here, SSL eruption, erupt. See here that I'm gonna search, and just search SSL. You just click on this one, and exclusive for name change, you just add the security and all. So basically that's just how you just do it, and you just navigate through and just do it like that. So let's just come back to our cPanel. Okay, I've locked our cPanel again. So let's see, come back to our cPanel. Go to our cPanel. Just we are just doing here is just navigating through. We are still gonna do proper edit. Let me just show you another thing here. This one, you can use this here. Just wait for it while it loads. This is what you use to create all your web banners, your web logos, anything related to web. You can use this. You can use this. All this, yeah, Avada, all this firework, the keys and everything. If you want to purchase it, just come to me and I will give it to you. It's not free, but we'll see what we can do. It's not free. So let's see. Another thing that I want to show you is what we call a va- elevator. Elevator. Elevator is the largest team market where you can go there and just buy teams. And let's see. Let's see. As you can see, Elevator Element Unlimited download, just one price. Let's see. Another one is Jojo Teams. Jojo Teams. Jojo Teams. So let's take a look, and then another one. Let's see Slider Revolution. Slider Revolution. Look at this. As you can see, the connection is secure. Anything you do on this website is safe. Your informations are secured. So let's see Slider information. Okay, Team Forest. So let's just come back to our cPanel and just continue explanation on play. And here you can set up your password and security. Please don't go and set up anything that you don't know. Here, user manager. Yeah, user manager, you can set up. Okay, You can see user manager. Yeah. This interface allows you to manage sub account. Sub accounts use the same login and password information. As you can see, this one, info at info2 at testlove online, it carries it from your email straight into your account, and from your account to your folder and to your whatever. So carries into your Gmail. So our Jojo Teams has loaded. As you can see, you can get Teams here as well. You can get Teams, wonderful Teams. This elevator, Evan, Evan, Eventor. The pronunciation is crazy. So let's see Eventor. There's this slider revolution. So guys, let's just take a look at the slider revolution. Meanwhile, as you guys can see, the user manager, this one just is used to show your linked view. You can still add user, add everything that you want to add. It is your cPanel, navigate it anyhow you want to do them. So another thing that we're doing, this WordPress builder, you can use it as well, but we are going to be using something very special. It is called Divi. Divi is what we are going to be using to design, and Divi not for is not for free. You purchase it. It's Divi that I used to create this my website. As you can see, it's not okay. Yeah. So Divi is what I used to create my website, and look at this this slider revolution will give you access to slides that will just be moving like the way it is just doing on my website. You can go ahead and choose template, choose blog, choose anything that you want to, but it's not for free. As you can see here too is buy now. So I have quite a number of templates that you can I said template sliders that you can use, and it will work so fine. Just come to me. I think I used to leave my contact page. As a matter of fact, if you don't have to do too much, just come to my website and just click on this message, this one here, this call. It will call. You will have to speak with me directly, or you send me an email on info@testloveonline.com. I will definitely answer to that. So let's see our plugins. As you can see, let's take a look at one of it. This place I wanted to show you, it is the biggest market where you get to sell, where you get to buy. So look at the template is loading now. You just click on get now, and then you are gonna get it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, for this this I post top notch content, as in top notch. I don't hold back information. I don't deprive you of information. You can see this is how it loads. I think I have a network issue. That is why it's not loading very well. So let's just So let me come back to my cPanel and show you if there's any other thing that we need to just touch. Please, all these databases, please be very careful with them. Very, very careful. In this visitor, you can be able to monitor people that comes in into your website. You can set up two-factor authentication, so to just manage, to just prevent scammers from your website. And as you can see, these are software that you can also use as well to navigate through your website setup. Set up Python app, you can use all those things. Guys, thank you for listening to me once again. My name is Amo Joseph, and I'm so glad you are on this speaking to me. You have me listening to you. You have me listening. You have I mean, have a brain block here. So thanks you guys. I really did appreciate. Follow my pages. I used to link them into my bio. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any important updates. I really did love you guys. Take a very good care of yourself and happy new week. Thank you so much, guys.